QuickJack, help! My hydraulic power unit has air in the pump and won't suck any hydraulic fluid. What do I do? Watch this quick tip. That's what you'll do. Check it out. Welcome everyone, I'm Miguel. Now, every once in a while, a power unit will have air in the system preventing fluid being pushed through and out to the frames. Priming your power unit will get you up and running in no time. Well, this week's tip is a rare occurrence. It is important for us that you have this information available in case you, yes you, ever find yourself in this situation. You're gonna need safety glasses, gloves, and a shop rack for protection. Here's the easy 5-step process. Step 1. First, place the power unit on its back. Then locate the pressure relief valve. You'll find it under the 2 power unit quick connection fittings. Step 2. Now that you have located the valve, remove it and remove the whole thing, not just the cap. Step 3. With the shop rack, wrap it around your thumb and place it into the cavity where the valve came from. Step 4. Keeping the pump in its back, press the up button in the control while keeping your thumb in the cavity. When you feel the fluid pushing past the rack, that's when you know the power unit is prime. Step 5. Reinstall the valve in its place and you will have enough fluid in the pump to operate normally. Easy as that, ladies and gents. If you find you continue to have problems, please give our customer service a call. They'll be happy to help. So that is it for this week. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and upcoming videos. Follow us on social media for other updates as well. We'll see you next time, guys.